Hey, pottery friends. Just chiming in quickly before the video of the overview of the museum starts to warn you. It's so bad. Oh God, I did very bad at filming this. So I'm just warning you. Don't get dizzy, but at least you'll see it. I was thinking about not posting it at all, but I thought, no, I'll post it. It's fine. And it's, I'm a potter, not a filmer, obviously. Still learning there, and hopefully you'll get an idea anyway. And I wanted to share some good news, which is my clay has arrived. I've been working on commissions the last couple of days, and I have some ideas for new videos working on that. So stay tuned. I'll be coming to you with a nice tutorial this time. So hang in there. I hope you enjoy the video, and just, fasten your seatbelts, don't get dizzy, and yeah, enjoy. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Hey guys, guess where I am? This is the entrance for the Terramar Museum, where my piece is. So I'm going to take you with me inside. Oh, look what's going on there. We'll take a look at that later. Let's go and find our piece. I don't know where they put it. Buon tardi. I think I'll go to the left first. I don't know where they put my piece, so there are some pieces. Oh, the door shuts, so I guess I'm not going that way. Here are some old photographs. That's pretty. And again, this is all about Bonaire and the ocean. Buon tardi, señora. It's a whole movie. Let's go to the left. Oh, I think I saw my piece. Ta-da! There she is. There is the, I don't know if you can read it. There's the text. And there's my piece. I will take some more pictures later. I'll just give you a quick overview of other pieces. These are very important on Bonaire. Those are the breathing chambers for all the fish. That's a beautiful piece. Ooh, nice painting. I want to show you one more piece by my friends from Molten Wolf Glass. My camera. These are all fused glass pieces. It's humongous with lots of individual pieces. Back at the beginning, but it's dark. Okay, I'm going to make another round for myself and maybe take some pictures.